talk about how can you add about you on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Mimo app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on profile down here. We just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you add here, you click here on add about you. When you just click on it, then here add something about you in this list here. So then when you just add it here, then it's going to save with you on your Mimo app. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.